Republic is the heart of the Europe. It's right in the middle, small country, 10 million people, very old. A lot of people from Ried visited actually our capital city, Prague. We work together, and it's like one office. I mostly do administrative stuff, but we're just small team, so everybody do everything.
What sort of industries are there?
The big part of the economy is like car industry.
What about for Ried and Ried tools? Like what are Ried tools being used on there?
It's gas mostly, also water. So we mostly cooperate with gas companies and water supply companies. I think the best are cutters, rotary cutters, and hinge cutters. That's like the top. And he cooperates with Ried for almost 20 years, and it started with cutters. For us, it's only choice, and customers like it because never been problem with them. My father has improved a lot of tools. He invented some of the parts for tools which Ried now use, like in worldwide. So it's pretty good cooperation. Yeah, we appreciate it.